Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Okay, what do we have here? We have the Gardein Beefless ground beef. Made out of soy, plant-based. Look at this. This thing has 18 grams of protein. It's got some fiber in there too. No gluten, 110 calories. It's worth it. Here's a marinara sauce. I can show you how to make one of those. Just check out my videos. Google Mike marinara. A little olive oil. Some elbow mac. Those are pastas. Little grated parm. Some seasonings. Hey, salute. Oh, all right. Foster here. Oh, grape juice. I like that. Oh, it's not grape juice. It's not grape juice. I'll put this down for now. Mike Foster here. Say it again. I've been eating a lot of plant-based stuff. I still eat meat. I'm trying to cut down on my meat consumption. Probably only a couple days a week, and eating a lot of good, healthy, non-meat stuff. For years, I was a vegetarian, as you well know. But I still like meat, but it doesn't digest as well, and it's healthier for you to try plant-based. I'll still get a cheeseburger once in a while. I can't stop that. But this is going to be, it's just going to be pasta with marinara sauce and ground meatless meat, all put together. Just check out how I put this thing together. It's going to be killer diller. We got the pasta water trying to boil. See it right there. That's going to start. And I'm going to come over here, put this meat together. Check it out. All right, we got a medium warm saucepan. Put a little olive oil down. Yeah, it's making a weird noise. This is what that stuff looks like. Looks just like ground beef. Let's put some in. How much did I put in? This is 13 ounces. I'm putting about half of that in. Let's see how it reacts. All right, like I said, medium. Put about a tablespoon of olive oil. Put that down just a little. I'm going to put a little more oil of olive in there. Okay, that sound you hear is the water starting to get boiling over there. So don't adjust your sets, your iPhones. Okay, let's get this sauteed. Add to that some fresh cracked black pepper. Should be enough. A little salt. That's it. This is some garlic powder. This is some onion flakes. Oh, I like those. Here's one of my favorite Italian spices, oregano. That's the baby right there. Okay. All right, let's mix it up. It smells great. It smells like ground beef. I gotta tell you guys, this stuff works fantastic. Mixy schmixy. It's absorbing that olive oil at a frantic pace. Let's give a little more. Guess what? There's nothing wrong with olive oil, ladies and gentlemen. All right, this is coming around. Don't let it stick. Make sure you put enough olive oil in there. We're gonna add this marinara sauce. Again, I said there's a recipe on how you make this stuff. I got recipes for a lot of stuff. All right, let's get this going to almost a boil, and then we'll simmer it. The good news, speaking of boiling, is that our pasta water is ready. I'm going to go drop the pasta in. The sound you hear here is me dropping the pasta in. You guys hear it? I think you did. That's going to take about 7-8 minutes to cook. All right. Got a little simmer going here. What I like to do now, at about halfway through the pasta, I take some of the pasta water. See that? Pasta water? Add it in there. That'll help thicken this. Give it some of that nice pasta-y taste. Pasta-y. That's a word. And then incorporate that. Monitor this so it doesn't boil, but it still simmers. This doesn't need anything else. We're just waiting for the pasta. Well, I lied. I like to give it just a little cheesy. And then we'll add some more later. Just a little, just because it looks pretty. All right, incorporate this. When that pasta is ready in about 4 minutes, we'll put this baby together. I'll see you then. All right, there's the drained but not rinsed pasta. Keep some of that starch in there. Is it hot? I don't know, you tell me. That sucker's hot. That was a pig laugh, snort. All right, here's that concoction we put together. There's no meat in there, guys. That's what she said. All right, let's incorporate this. This is just like ground beef, but it's so much healthier for you guys and gals. We're incorporating it all in. Look at that. Oh, smells fantastic. Gotta try stuff like this. Don't just eat eggs, don't just eat meat and potatoes, eat all kinds of stuff. Now we're gonna put some Parm cheese. People say, Mike, you gotta grate it yourself, the stuff in the cheese. Yeah, well, you know, I ain't got no time for that. This stuff I've been eating for years, it's great. It's the greatest. Get it grated. Okay, incorporate this. I'm gonna serve this up. Give you a close-up. Take a big bite. Hopefully it cools off. There it is. Fake ground beef with macaroni, a little Parm cheese and marinara sauce. I'm gonna tell you, it's gonna taste killer diller. But we'll let the taste buds decide. Big taste, big bite coming up. All right, there it is. Let's have a bite. I'm gonna use a fork. You could use a spoon. It's so, oh, look at that. Okay, take a look at it. Still hotter than, Chewed it right up. The texture's there. Tastes just like ground beef. The texture's like ground beef. All the flavors are there from that marinara sauce. I love it. The cheese. Simple to make, healthy for you, and delicious. Check out my videos at Live Life 365 on YouTube. And find videos just as good as this, even better. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I'm just not a fried egg guy. That was true. Oh, that looks good. It's like a bolognese. Bowling ball. Wow. That sucker's hot. Is that camera off? There's only one thing you can do on this side. You just drink wine. Maybe it's sweet babu, maybe it's not, but 110 degrees outside. Food's hot, wine's cool, and oh, Baba. A lot of things going on here. See, I got my new TV back there. Yeah, look over there. I got a fountain. A fountain only in the only my wife would put a fountain in the house. We're crazy.